Okay, I plugged the antenna power back into the bottom radio, and if I go to the AVIN, like you said, yes,
Students caught up. It starts with kids
I can hear the sound.
With sports, clubs, and field trips. It includes new.
But if I go into the car settings and go into the radio, see, I can adjust, AM, FM too by pressing the buttons on the original radio, and also, this pressing these buttons seem to work, but there's no sound coming out of this app. But as you can see, if I go into the AVIN, you can hear it. And the DVD still has no sound. If I go, the disc is in there, and if I go and like, it doesn't play at all. And if I go, it's a real CD disc. I can show you. This is a reference disc made by Alpine. It's a real CD. It doesn't, it's not playing. If I go into the AVIN, see, no sound. Okay.